Alright, hi, this is Jake Wilson. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to start up a Bootstrap project, a Phonegap project really quickly from command line, run it in their desktop application instead of running it all from command line, which is what you used to have to do. And then we're going to go ahead and dump some Bootstrap code into it to kind of make a really, literally in under 5 minutes, a mobile app that you'd be able to deploy to a device. Alright, so let's get started. So we're here, we're going to go back to the desktop, we're going to go to Cordova, create, we're going to call it demo. Alright, so we created the project, we're going to cd demo, and then we're going to go ahead and do Cordova platform add, and then we're going to do Android, because that's all I really wanted to run right now. You can add anything else, and I'll show you what else we can do here real quick by doing Cordova platform ls, which is going to give you a nice little listing of the Fire OS, BlackBerry, and you can do Windows 8 apps with it. But from here, really, we've gone as far as I'd like to go with the command line, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. And when I do that, I'm going to go ahead and open up my my demo app here and go to www. We're going to get rid of everything in the index. Their hello world thing is pretty intensive, and really it's one of those things where it more or less takes a lot of time to load on the server and that sort of thing. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go ahead and open up my JavaScripts here, open up my JavaScripts that I have precompiled from a previous application, which was actually a Rails app, and put those in there. We're going to go ahead and come back and go to Assets again, open up my style sheets, copy all those, and we're going to dump those really quickly into my CSS style sheets folder here. Now, we are going to have an application that we're going to open right up by just going to a new window in Google Chrome, and it's going to be under localhost. Actually, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to go here, we're going to pop this open, add an existing Phonegap project. And since we're on desktop right now, we have demo, which is a whole folder. That's already there, it's already running on the server. So we're going to go to localhost 3000. It's going to open up the Bootstrap demo, and at this point we have a working application, and that took about 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So as you can see, Phonegap can be used to create hybrid apps at an incredibly rapid pace. I will send you all my code. It's the exact same code, really, as I did from a Bootstrap example. This is just a little template, and as you can see, it is single on the smartphone, and it does have responsive little menus here, which is nice. And on the bottom, I will show you this real quick. It does play beat by using the web container, which is nice because in some apps you might want to add that functionality in there. Other than that, it's just I'm basically just showing you how really easy it is to use Phonegap and create something really fast. It's something that I don't have a lot of experience with, and I probably after this class won't use it a whole lot because I'd rather make things natively, and I like to deal more in web apps, but it's a really good learning experience. And if you're ever a developer, you would probably need to use this whenever you have a really robust website or web app for mobile viewing that you just wanted to dump into a native app and put on the App Store so that your users could get a hold of that a little bit easier. And I would probably say that I didn't really have a whole lot of difficulties with this project because really I knew what I was going to do before we started. And I really think that it was a good learning experience, and it helps you out a lot whenever you get to learn a new technology, and this is one of the ones that I chose. If you have any questions, just go ahead and email me, but that should just about cover it. The folder for the projects is going to be zipped into it, and I am giving you an overview currently of my development environment, which is the Ripple emulator using Phonegap with Node.js, and I basically am using Google Chrome as my in-browser emulator with Ripple, and I use Sublime Text for all of my editing and that sort of thing. So thank you. Bye.